Attention, educators and school leaders. Get ready for a transformational experience at the PBIS Reboot Workshop. This fast-track event is designed for elementary and secondary schools, aiming to restart a previous PBIS and MTSS system, but have gaps in practice due to staff or team changes. The virtual workshop unfolds over 2 enriching days. Check our website for dates. But that's not all. There's more. After the workshop, stay engaged with our community of practice webinars to keep your school on track. Your school will also receive personalized coaching and technical assistance support, plus books for every registered team member. Take action today. Choose 2 to 10 team members to attend training. Include your principal, general, and special education teachers, school psychologist, and others listed on our registration page. Then get ready to fast-track your PBIS and MTSS reboot. Don't miss this chance to revitalize your school's multi-tiered support system. Register now and empower your team to realize the positive and supportive learning environment your community deserves.